सुरक्षा के लिए उपलब्ध है। किसी भी सहायता के लिए आप कृपया कॉल बटन दबाएं। धन्यवाद। Request attention please. The seatbelt sign will remain on for some time. Recommended to keep the seatbelt fastened for your safety. Keeping your health in mind, please keep your mask and face shield on at all times and avoid standing in the aisle or in front of the lavatories during the course of the flight. The cabin crew will be available for your safety. Please press the call button if you need any assistance. Thank you.